She can barely walk, right? Is that true, Melissa? Rotate a little bit into the hip. Yeah, look at you. Gorgeous, gorgeous extension. Be on the neck now. There. Ooh, that cracked. The massage right in there. So nice. Here we are at Tamerlaine Sanctuary, and we're in New Jersey, right?
Yep.
So we're about 2 hours from New York. I just drove up this morning. We're seeing a lot of animals. How many animals do you think you have? About 250?
Yeah, around
250. There. And it's such a beautiful farm. Now, they also have an Airbnb here, so you can come book a night or a weekend. Check out their website, and if you ever care to help them with donations, that's awesome. Or if you want to come visit and see the animals yourself, and the Airbnb is just beautiful. I mean, this is picturesque here. Really unbelievable. It's only 2 hours from New York City. I'm here at Tamerlaine Animal Sanctuary, and this is an amazing place. It's only 2 hours from where I live. I'm up here for the weekend working a lot of animals. And this is Diana. She's a goose. She was a domestic goose, meaning she was living with the family, and she broke her back left leg, her femur, and they were done with her at that point. So they threw her in the woods to discard, and somehow people found her and referred her to Tamerlaine, and now she's here at Tamerlaine, but she's in the middle of physical therapy. She's getting a lot of work done on her, and she can barely walk, right? Is that true, Melissa? That's Melissa back there. She's one of the physical therapists. And so I'm gonna take a look at you today, okay? Now, when I start touching her, she's not gonna like that, okay? So she's gonna squiggle around. And may I work with you a little bit, Diana? I always like to ask because they might at least appreciate that I'm talking to them and asking. All right, let me feel your little neck area. Sometimes that helps. Okay, I'm up here at the atlas. I'm just going to be very gentle. Just first massaging your little atlas. Oh, you have to take a breath, right, Diana? Take a big breath in and relax. I don't know if she's breathing, but I mean, listening to my breath instructions. Take a breath in and blow it out. Ooh, good. Good. How's that feel? I'm just massaging you up here. Yeah, work that out, girl. You work it out. Good. And coming down the neck. Good. Look at that. Coming back up the neck, back on the pole. I call it the pole with horses. That's the atlanto-occipital. And there's a lot of information that comes through this area of the spine. And I'm going to be on the neck now and do a little bit of a release on you. There. Ooh, that cracked. Kind of jammed my neck a little bit. I mean, my wrist. So, how'd that feel? What do you think of that, Diana? Is it Diana or Diane?
Diana.
Yeah. What a beautiful name. So now I'm going to be here at the beginning of... I'm off the neck and down into the main body, coming down the spine. And just palpating. Feels nice, right? When was the last time someone rubbed out your shoulder blades? Yeah, I'm doing a little massage on you. So I'm between the wings. You got pretty wings. Okay, lifting this up a little bit, reaching under. Okay, you want to peck at me, I don't care. So now I'm into this area here. Now this is where the tail comes down. And sometimes this area will release a little bit. So my hands are in here. Okay, ooh. Here's one, ready? Hold still, Diana, just for a quick second. I'll kind of flex the tail. There you go. How was that? That one cracked. Think about that. Arch that back up, bring the wings up. Take a breath. And shake it out. She did a little yawn. All right, I've been dying to touch this up here. Can I touch that? Do you let people touch that? I've been just dying to give you a little rub up here. That's what I want to do. You're like, don't touch that. Nobody touches that. A little bit right there. Yeah, right there. So nice. Just a little bit of a massage right in there. So nice. Okay. Do people come by and want to touch that spot on you? Probably. All right, coming down again. Let's check everything, okay? Let's check the atlas. Feels better now. It was a little stuck. That's why we just released it. And I'm going to shake you down. Watch this. A little shake. So we're going to shake that down. And watch. You stretch out straight while I shake. You stretch up and out. Up and out. Let's do it again. Come on. You can do it. Up and out. There you go. Up and out. There you go. And do it again. Up and out. Beautiful. And up and out. Up and out. Up and out. Let's do it again. Up and out. There you go. Again, up and out. You squish out as I pull down. Yeah. I'm going to pull down and you squish your little head out. And that'll elongate your neck and stretch. Yeah. Let's do more. There you go. Keep going. You're getting good at this. Do you love this? Not really. But there you go. And I'm vibrating and oscillating. You know, oscillating is like this. I'm oscillating the bones and looking for the restriction. We're filming, so quiet voices. And stretch again. You love it. Go stretch out. Stretch out. There you go. That's good. One more time. Stretch out. Stretch out. Reach out. Beautiful. Good work. Look at you. You already know how to do this. Now I'm going to come down again. Let's lift each wing up and check the articulation where the wing meets your thoracic. Good. And I'm up in here now. Nice. Okay. So then we're going to grab this side. And there you go. Look at that beautiful wing. Look at you. Who knew you were so pretty? Look at that. Let's just flex that out. And I'm giving it a little rotation. And I'm going to adjust right into here where it articulates with the thoracics. Okay, good. And let's do this side now. Bringing this up. And there you go. Now, here's your tail. But let's look at that back left, okay? So you don't really want me taking you out, but we can look under here, okay? Let's get your little diaper out of there. Oh, thank you. So here's your back left leg. And we're going to touch this if we can. There you go. Look at that. Beautiful extension. And I'm going to just rotate a little bit into the hip. And feel that. Look at your little toes. I'm going to massage in your feet. Yeah, come back again. Very gentle, very gentle. Control. Yeah, look at you. Gorgeous, gorgeous extension. And here, I'm going to rub, like you can see I'm up here. There's my hand. So I'm on the hip itself. And I think your hip's a little misaligned from the fracture. So I'm going to do a little set here. 1, take a breath in. 2, 3. There you go. Wow, that clicked. Made a little pop. Work that leg, girl. Yeah. Like tap dancing now. How's that feel? Good, good. High five, high five. Slap me 5. Good. Nice. Good, 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 good. All right. Let's just check the right leg just in case. Sometimes the right leg, because of compensation, needs a little work too. So I'm going to go to the back right. And there you go. Bring this leg up. May I have that leg for a minute? That one's a little irritated, right? Because you've been limping for a while. All right, now I'm right in there where the hip is connected. And let me do a little bit of, ooh, did you hear that crack? It was crazy. So who knew the right side was out too? All right, listen, I think we're done. All right, Diana, you're such a good one, aren't you? You're so pretty. All right. So we're done. Give Diana some love. 24 hours later, and Diana's feeling a lot better. Let's see Diana. Hi, Diana. How are you moving today? What's going on? How was your adjustment? Now you see she's limping, but remember she has a broken femur. So, or she's recovering from a broken femur, but she's out. This is the first time she's been out of her wheelchair in a while. And she's, you know, enjoying the sun. So good to see you feeling better, Diana, right? She's having a good morning. Good morning to you, top of the morning. And so there's Diana. Hi, babe. Do you remember me? That's why you're running away. And look at your neck. It's all stretched out. We did the neck stretches on you yesterday. This is terrific. Leave Diana a comment. This is so great. Thanks. A little bit right there. Yeah, right there. So nice. Just a little bit of a massage right in there.